Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. So I did a 7-day juice cleanse, detox, fast. Didn't consume anything but fresh fruit juices, vegetable juices, and really just focused on healing the body. And the reason I did this is just to see if I could speed up healing and if I could take out more, if I could eliminate more mucus out of the body, especially in our world today. You know, there's lots of toxins through the air, through our food, and I just love increasing minerals. So I feel like the juices is where it's at, especially if maybe your fruit quality wherever you are is not the best, or you know, the fruit isn't ripe, and going towards the vegetable juices is really, really good. So I just want to share with you guys some clips throughout the week of what I did and some of the juices that I drank. I did incorporate some dry fasting as well. So here's some of the clips. The first juice that I'm going to be starting out with is one of my favorites, grape juice. So check my video out on how I did this grape juice. Really, really simple and super, super tasty. So cheers to you guys if you are wanting to get healthy, if you're wanting to clean the body and heal, you know, or just start introducing more fruits and vegetables into your diet, more juicing. Welcome to my channel. This is where I'm sharing my health journey. Cheers. Alright guys, so I just thought I'd do a short little clip of what I'm making now. This is one of my favorites that I usually always do, is freshly squeezed orange juice. Check out these beauties. Wow. Check out this, you guys. This is freshly squeezed orange juice, not pasteurized, you know, like in the stores. You've got all the live enzymes in here and it's delicious. Oh yeah. So my next juice, this is my green juice. I got kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, apple. Oh, I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, but I think that's it. Some carrot too. Did I say that already? This is day 3. I did a 20-hour dry fast, and I'll zoom in, show you guys. Getting some skin rashes. So some people ask like, what it could happen on a healing crisis on detox. Their skin may explode. See down there too. So skin rashes. Carrot, apple, beet, pretty good. I also want to mention I'm going to be adding in some spinach and some lemon in this juice. And you'll notice like what I do is I use a lot of the fruit juices for cleansing. And then here I'm like building. So my journey, I'm really just cleansing and strengthening. And I feel like that's working best for me, especially with my malabsorption. So one of my favorite juices that I'm still drinking and will drink, I think, for as long as I'm alive is this orange juice. It's so good. I just love the taste of it and having good results with it. I'm also going to be juicing this watermelon soon, so we'll see how that goes. And I just want to share with you my results, some of the even the pros and cons of doing this juice cleanse. So, I mean, I have nothing but good things to say about this cleanse. I got a lot of shite out. Got a lot of cleansing done, got a lot of mucus out of the body through the urine, and altogether I just felt lighter, I just felt more refreshed. My hair actually feels like it's a bit more thicker, even my eyelashes too, and my skin has really cleared up. That's the biggest thing I want to point out is my skin has always been an issue for me, but just giving myself juices and no fiber so the digestive tract can really heal, I've noticed my skin has been really clear all over, and that has been really great. Now you'll notice that on day 3 my skin exploded a little bit, so sometimes on these detox healing journeys the skin can explode here and there, depending on how deep these acids may be, especially like underneath the skin, subcutaneous. Some of these acids can be held there. So you know, once you start bringing in alkaline foods, then they just kind of start popping out here and there, and you can't really, you know, I wish we could see where it's going to come out next, but or what type of healing crisis we'll get next, but you just kind of go with the flow. So will I continue this? I'd like to do like 40 days of a juice cleanse, but for me, I just really miss my fruit, like chewing my fruit. So I want to get back into the berries too and the bananas. So I think I love juicing, so I'm just going to incorporate the juices with the fruit, the whole foods, and I just gonna experiment too with that and doing some dry fasting with herbs. So a whole combination of that, but I do like kind of playing around, seeing what works, and you guys are maybe the same. You know, everyone's journey is kind of different in terms of what you may need, especially if you're malabsorbed. For me, I feel like I need to still bring in a lot. I need to kind of clean my colon out, and sometimes with, you know, snowboarding or working out, I need a bit more, it feels like I need a bit more nutrition, and that's where the juices come in. And that may be because I'm malabsorbed. So I don't know how much I'm actually absorbing. Maybe I'm only absorbing, say, I don't know, 60% of my nutrition. So I'm just trying to get all my minerals through the juices and the fruits. And the herbs too, won't forget the herbs. Some of the cons, I can't really think of any cons other than you may just need to, if you're planning on doing this, you may just want to schedule a timeout where you don't have anything going on, especially, you know, if you have a big social group or lots of friends, family, events, whatever. You may just have to take some time out to yourself and give yourself a nice break and put your health as #1 priority. Also wanted to mention that I didn't take the GI broom. I actually stopped taking the GI broom a while ago. I wanted to see if I can get mucoid plaque out without taking clay or psyllium husk. So I am going to try to play around to see if I can get this mucoid plaque out that I hear people talking about. Now, I have got some nasty stuff out that I've never had before. So I'm going to try to play around with that to see, you know, what else is gonna come out of me. So let me know down below if you got mucoid plaque out without taking any GI broom or any clay. I'd be curious to know that in the comments below if you want to share that with me. And I'm gonna try to get it out without taking anything, so we'll see how that goes. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, there's gonna be a lot more to come. A lot more to come out of me. So thank you guys, and hope you have a fabulous day. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Cheers.